Cass, and this is my cooking channel, Comfy Foods by Cass. Today I'm making grilled basa fish in an air fryer. So let's get started. For the grilled basa fish, you need celery salt, paprika, oregano, parsley, rosemary, basil, black pepper, sea salt, 1 garlic clove minced, some lemon juice, and we need melted butter and your basa fish. So let's begin preparing the grilled basa fish. The first thing we do is add in some lemon juice, I'm adding in 2 teaspoons of it, the minced garlic clove into the melted butter. Mix it well to have that garlic butter flavor. We are going to use a baking sheet with parchment paper. So line your baking tray in parchment paper. Let's put in our fish fillets onto the baking tray. I'm using about 560 grams of basa fish, and with the melted garlic and butter with lemon flavor in it, gently brush it onto your fish. Add a little bit of sea salt, some celery salt, just sprinkle a little bit of it, some black pepper, I'm using freshly milled black pepper, a little bit of oregano, basil, some parsley, some rosemary, some paprika. At this stage, you can just bake it in your air fryer. I'm adding 1 extra ingredient, and let me show you what it is. A little bit of chili powder. It's going to give it a nice color, as well as the flavor will be further enhanced for fish. So you're just going to sprinkle a little bit, about half a teaspoon or so, over your fish. The fish is ready to be popped into the air fryer. Let's switch on the air fryer. Pop the tray into the air fryer. And we are going to grill the basa fish on the heat setting 200 degrees Celsius for about 15 to 20 minutes. And we are going to turn it on each side. It's been cooking for the last 12 minutes. Let's turn the fish over and grill it on the other side. So that's how the fish looks currently. Let us turn over the fish. add a little bit of this seasoning of the lemon juice and garlic butter. And this side I'm just going to bake it as is into the oven for the remaining 6 minutes. The timer has just gone off. Let's remove the fish out of the air fryer. I'm going to turn the fish over. I cooked it for an extra 2 minutes so that it looks nice and golden pale brown on the fish. So this is how the basafish looks. Now it's ready to be served. This is the grilled basafish made in the air fryer. I'm serving the grilled basafish with some rainbow stir-fried vegetables. And now it's ready to be served. I hope you enjoyed viewing this video on my channel, Comfy Foods by Cass.